Hey guys, so this is going to be a very short video. This is just a quick update on my two bromeliads that I have. Oh, this this ring light is acting weird today. It keeps falling. Um but as you can see, let me see. This is one of them. I think I'm gonna have to hold on to this because it just keeps going down, down, down. Okay, hold on. Let me, oh, I'll be right back. Wait, okay. Actually, no, wait, this is fine. Nope, no, it's not. Hold on. Okay, you guys are back. I think this might be good already. This ring light was $25, so, you know, you get what you pay for. But it has been good to me so far. So, as I was saying, this is a quick update on my two bromeliads. And this is the first one. This one, my mother purchased for me over the summer, last year. It's already January, what, 4th? So she did purchase it over the summer, so I've had it for quite a few months. And as you can see, the flower is already dead. I'm assuming this is the flower because that's what I've been told. So as you can see, it's actually coming out by itself already. Look at this. It's coming out. So that's kind of sad, but I have heard that the plant itself doesn't die, but the flower does. It doesn't flower anymore. But if you take good care of it, it will keep giving you offshoots. This one already has two offshoots here. It has this big one right here and this one. This one right here. And it actually has another one that I propagated and I gave it to my mother. So I'm actually going to, let me see. Yeah, let me snip this off because it's not doing much for the plant itself. Oh, poor baby. Look at this. Ooh. So yeah, this is gone. And yeah, so I've had this for quite a while. I don't think this type of bromeliad was actually supposed to grow any bigger than this. I don't know, I'm not sure. But it does have the two babies, so I'm actually going to let them grow a little bit longer. Let me cut these off right here. I'm gonna let them grow a little bit bigger before I actually start to propagate them. And wait, let me see. Is that another one? Okay, no, yeah, it's only two for now. So yeah, I'm gonna wait a little bit before I actually propagate them and put them in their own little pots. This one is growing actually, this one right here, the shortest one, was having issues. It was growing slower, but now it's actually picking up speed. So we'll see what happened in a few months. Now, the next one, I do only have two, so I might have to, let me see, hopefully this damn ring light doesn't fall over. Let's see. Okay. Now, this beautiful one, I purchased over, wait, was it over the summer? Actually, the other one was over the summer, but it was, I think, towards the beginning of the summer. Maybe. This one I actually purchased like maybe two or three. I think it was 2 months ago. Was it 2? November? I think it was around November. Late November, I think. But yeah, so this one did have, I think I showed it to you guys when I did a plant haul. It did have offshoots. It had little baby offshoots growing, and they've actually grown quite a bit since then. This one, they were actually like up to here. Ooh, the camera's not focused. Okay, they were actually like up to here when I got them. You couldn't really see them, mostly because it had one of the leaves come out. I cut it so that, you know, it could grow, but they were really tiny. And then this one, yeah. So yeah, hopefully this one will last long. The flower, this beautiful yellow one, will last as long as it possibly can. And hopefully this one does give me more offshoots aside from the 2 that it already has. I'm not entirely sure how many offshoots a regular bromeliad would give you, but hopefully I am able to get a few from this one and maybe a few more from the other one. But yeah, like I said, this was just a quick update. If you guys do have bromeliads and you have any tips you can share with me, let me know. And let me know if, you know, how many offshoots you've gotten from your bromeliads as well. And I will talk to you guys later. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and bye.